Well, good afternoon. It's me again. Now today, little projects I've been doing on the Land Rover Discovery 3. Now I changed the fuel filter on it. Now you'd have thought, but quite a simple practice. Take the old one off, put the new one on. No. Put it all on after taking numerous bits and pieces down underneath it to get to it. Put it all back on, turn the key, nothing. Read a book saying that it's got to have 4 gallons of juice in it. When I got diesel, filled it up, nothing. Run the battery out, nothing. Easy start it, wouldn't run it. So I don't know what to do next. Anyway, good friend of mine come round and he ran his garage up and they said, now this will get you out of troubles. It works on this. Put the key in, turn it on the ignition, 5 seconds. Turn it off, on, 5 seconds. Do that 30 times and apparently it resets it all. And it's working. I'm over the moon. I thought I was going to be stuck here forever. Anyway, thanks a lot for coming on. Give me a thumbs up for this. I need one because it's been a pain. Anyway, it's all back now. I've just got to put all the covers back. Thanks a lot then. Cheers. Bye-bye.